Hello everyone. Today, we're excited to introduce the ICAREWAY Foldable Playpen for babies and toddlers, a versatile and space-saving solution for your little one's playtime needs. This 50 by 50 portable playpen is designed with a unique foldable feature, making it perfect for homes with limited space and easy to transport for outdoor adventures or travel. With its effortless assembly and disassembly, you can set it up in just 1 to 3 minutes without any tools. The included removable and breathable play mat offers a cushioned surface for crawling, sitting, and exploring, while being easy to clean for those active toddler moments. Safety is a top priority, and this playpen is constructed with high-quality materials, including robust steel pipes and sturdy fabric net siding, ensuring maximum stability and security. The generous play area allows your little ones to explore and practice independent movement, while 2 pull-up rings and an ergonomic height of 27 inches help them learn to stand and walk. Give yourself the freedom to tackle your tasks or enjoy a well-deserved break, knowing your child is safe and entertained in the ICAREWAY Foldable Playpen. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.